Alright, so today we've got an LDreamAM fungus treatment. This is for your nail fungus that you may get on your toes. If you're even watching this video, you probably already know what I'm talking about, otherwise you've got no reason to be here. But if you're considering this product, check it out. It comes in a very small, tiny little container, and coming from, let's see this, so like I have to get through the foot fungus, right? This is something that actually spread through my house, unfortunately, because we were using the same toenail clippers. This does not take a lot, but it takes a long time. It's not going to be a product that I'm able to show you guys immediately, you know, how well it works. This is going to be enough. This is going to cover you for, you know, probably like 6 months to a year of treatments, but it's probably going to take something like 6 months for this to actually fully go into effect and grow out. I mean, your toenail grows very slowly, so I just wanted to make sure that everybody got a chance to kind of see how small this container is, but don't be surprised. That's how big it's supposed to be. That's really how much you're going to need. It's not going to take you know, a whole bunch each time you put it on, but you're going to want to put it on, you know, every day. And if you do it every day after something like, it doesn't really say on here, but after something like 3 to 6 months, you're really going to start to see a big difference as your toenail starts to come out, and it's all going to be coming out, you know, in a much more normal condition than, you know, what you've got right now. All right, so any questions, comments, make sure to ask me as soon as you can, or I'll get to them as soon as I can. And no, I'm not going to show you my toe because I'm kind of embarrassed about it. I actually got it on 2 toes, and we're going to get rid of it. All right, cool. Thanks a lot. We'll catch you guys next time.